everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I am going to be planting some of the fastest growing things that you can grow out there in one of our smart pots here. This is one of the round raised beds. This is their smaller one. They're mini size, and this I'm going to be planting is a radish, and this is a Parks Beauty blend, which I am very excited about because it has a mixture of 5 different radishes in it, and it is going to be super colorful, have all sorts of different pretty colors whenever we go to harvest it. So this should be super fun and also really fast. So if you are looking for something to grow that you want to be able to harvest really soon, this is definitely it. You can start harvesting, it said between 22 to 30 days, something around there. So it is super fast. Within a month, you should have some really good radish for you. Radishes are also a really good beginner crop. So if you have never grown any food before, radish is definitely a really good start. It is something that you will definitely have success with. They are 16 per square, so you plant quite a few of them. So it's definitely going to work out for you. It's really fun for kids also to grow because, again, it is super fast. So they get to see their reward really quickly. And also, I love this blend too because it'll have a bunch of different colors. So it's really fun. So it's just something that's really good for a beginner gardener or kids too. I'm going to use this seeding square to help get us planting just because this makes it so much easier because we're doing 16 per square foot. So it kind of helps me to visualize what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to put a seed in each one of these red holes right here. And then that's really all there is to it. I'm going to go do that. And then I'm going to just gently cover it with some soil, water it in, and then super quick, have a harvest really soon. And because this seeding square didn't fit quite perfectly in this raised bed here, I went ahead and tried to eyeball these holes over here too, so that way I could drop them in around it too and not just do it in the center. In some of these, I've accidentally dropped 2 in, which it's not a really big deal, but with root crops, you want to make sure that you do go behind here in whenever they start to come up. And just make sure you thin them down to having only 1. So that way you only get 1 radish and they don't grow all wonky on you. You can eat these radishes in many different ways. You can slice them up, put them into like a stir fry, mix them with onions, or you can simply eat them raw, dip them in with some ranch. That's how the kids and I like it. So really any way you want to go about eating it, these will be so great. And here in about 3 to 4 weeks, we will have a bunch of radish in here. If you want to learn more about growing radishes or really any fruit, vegetable, or herb, check out our free app from Seed to Spoon. It'll help walk you through growing over 100 different plants, and it'll help make things simple for you. So now that I planted these radish in, I'm going to go ahead and put them into the Garden Plus section so that way I can keep track of it on there and it'll tell me when it's going to sprout and also remind me whenever it is time to come out here and harvest. And if you're interested in checking out any of these smart pots or the seeding square or even this radish blend is one that's only available at Park Seed too, so I'm really excited about it. But check that out. You can buy all of these through our app on the Park Seed website, and you can save 15% by using our discount code SPOON15, so make sure you take advantage of that. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I just want to shoot a really quick video about one of the quickest things you can grow in the garden. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.